Well, hello everyone. It's Shanti Tidy's here at Profit Mountain Financial Services. I hope that you are having an amazing day. On the last video, I talked about the 1099K and whether or not you should expect to receive one. If you are accepting payments through Cash App, then definitely be on the lookout for a 1099K. One of the other things that is two more things that I want to bring to your attention as it pertains to the 1099K. The 1099K is pretty much just a snapshot of a portion of your sales if you utilize other forms of payment collection. What does that mean? Essentially, if you're accepting payments from Cash App, you have a merchant account, and you also have QuickBooks where you're collecting payments from. If you're collecting, or HoneyBooks, all of those should be aggregated together as a total of your sales. So all of these are added up together. Now, if you're solely using Cash App for your business, then that's totally fine. But keep in mind, you don't want to double count your sales because that's going to increase your tax obligation, artificially and unnecessarily, right? A lot of entrepreneurs, they're accounting for their sales throughout the year, but then they get a 1099 and they don't even realize that they're actually doubling a portion of their sales. So the 1099 is just reporting to the IRS how much that Cash App network has funneled from Cash App to you. That is what it is, okay? So this is another thing. So that's the first thing. Number one, make sure that you're accounting for your business throughout the year. You're including your Cash App payments and all that to get a real grasp on your sales. Number two, this is something I want to bring to your attention. I actually got this from the IRS.gov website. This is the instructions for the 1099K. This is what Cash App actually reads before they create the 1099Ks for all of the individuals that use the platform, okay? So, as you can see, it says right here, the gross amounts means the total dollar amount of the total reportable payment transactions for each participating payee without regard to any adjustments for credits, cash equivalents, discount amounts, fees, refunded amounts, or any other amounts. The dollar amount of each transaction is determined on the date of the transaction. So the box that they're talking about is this box right here. This box, if you're doing proper accounting throughout the year, is going to be reflected in your sales number. But what's also, if you're doing accounting throughout the year, if you ever had any returns throughout the year, any refunds, any discounts, any fees that Cash App would charge you, and I have seen them charge fees for different types of businesses, those deductions are not included in this box. So that means that this number is, you need to make sure you have a record and you're accounting for your refunds, you're accounting for the fees that they're charging, and then if there's any other discounts or anything that you're giving to your customers, because on the 1099K they're not reporting that to the IRS, okay? And this is actually a revenue source for the IRS, and if you fall into this category of not paying attention or understanding these different box and line items, okay, what Cash App is reporting, they're not reporting the fees that they're taking out on your individual 1099K. They're not reporting the refunds on your 1099K, which means if you made $10,000 in sales for a month and you had $1,000 worth of returns, the IRS is still going to see just the $10,000, okay? So it's up to you to keep record of that $1,000 refund. It's up to you to take that $1,000 deduction for the refund, okay? Because literally, they're saying it here in the instructions, and this is why a lot of people get caught up with these forms, is because we don't read the fine lines, right? So please make sure that you are accounting for your sales. Make sure that you are keeping up with your refunds, your discounts, and any fees that are charged to you. If your sales are 10 grand, however, it's being ate up by fees, by refunds, and then you're providing discounts to your customers, so you're not seeing that entire 10 grand, make sure that you have a record of the deductions against your income. Okay. So if you need assistance, if you need help, if you are selling any types of items that you're manufacturing, or if you're reselling items, I know we had individuals who were selling, there was a snow cone stand and they were using Cash App. There was, another company that had a food truck, they were utilizing Cash App. So you literally would pay them, you would see the Cash App, their Cash App, and you put it in yours to pay for your meal. If you need assistance, please reach out to us. Do not overpay in taxes because of a lack of accounting. Get a professional to look at your books, even if it's on a quarterly basis, so that you are not overpaying in taxes and you don't know where your numbers are, okay? This is crucial because inflation is absolutely insane, and we need to make sure that we're not overpaying anywhere else. I wanted to bring this to you guys. I know and I hope that this was helpful to entrepreneurs that are out there, because a lot of these new forms that they're implementing, everybody doesn't understand or know what these forms mean, how they affect you. And I wanted to just bring that to you. All right. Until next time, stay profitable and stay great. If you know of an entrepreneur who needs to hear this information, please share this information with them. Give this video a like and subscribe. Until next time, y'all, stay profitable and stay great.